The amazing benefits of intermittent fasting on a ketogenic diet. Intermittent fasting is a popular dietary pattern that involves alternating periods of eating and fasting. The practice has been gaining popularity for its potential benefits for weight loss, overall health, and longevity. Combining intermittent fasting with a ketogenic diet may provide an even greater potential for weight loss and other health benefits. Ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that leads to the body entering a metabolic state called ketosis. In this state, the body starts to burn stored fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. When keto diet is combined with intermittent fasting, the body may enter ketosis faster and stay in it for a longer period of time, leading to an even greater fat burning effect. One of the main benefits of combining intermittent fasting and a ketogenic diet is weight loss. A study conducted in 2019 found that obese individuals who followed an intermittent fasting and ketogenic diet for 12 weeks experienced a significant reduction in body weight and body fat compared to those who only followed a ketogenic diet. The study suggests that the combination of intermittent fasting and a ketogenic diet may be more effective for weight loss than a ketogenic diet alone. Intermittent fasting may also improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes, as it can help to improve blood sugar control and potentially even reverse the diabetes. A study conducted in 2018 found that obese individuals with type 2 diabetes who followed an intermittent fasting and ketogenic diet for 12 weeks also experienced a significant improvement in blood sugar control, weight loss, and cardiovascular risk factors. In addition to weight loss and improved blood sugar control, intermittent fasting and a ketogenic diet may also have a positive impact on brain health and cognitive function. Another clinical study conducted in 2019 found that obese individuals who followed an intermittent fasting and ketogenic diet for 12 weeks experienced an improvement in memory and focus. The study suggests that the combination of intermittent fasting and a ketogenic diet may be beneficial for brain health and cognitive function. Another potential benefit of combining intermittent fasting and a ketogenic diet is its effect on inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a variety of health conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. One more study conducted in 2020 found that obese individuals who followed an intermittent fasting and ketogenic diet for 12 weeks experienced a significant reduction in inflammation markers compared to those who only followed a ketogenic diet. This suggests that the combination of intermittent fasting and a ketogenic diet may have anti-inflammatory effects, which can improve overall health. While the combination of intermittent fasting and a ketogenic diet may provide additional benefits, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Always consult with a doctor or a registered dietitian who has experience with both intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet before starting any new diet. Some individuals may have medical conditions that make it unsafe for them to follow this combination, or they may have other dietary needs that cannot be met by this diet. Additionally, you may need to work closely with a healthcare professional to monitor nutrient intake and adjust the diet as needed while following the diet. When starting intermittent fasting and a ketogenic diet, it's recommended to ease into it gradually. Many people may experience some side effects such as headaches, fatigue, and irritability when first starting the diet. These side effects are usually temporary and will subside as the body adjusts to the new way of eating. It is, however, important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Like any diet, the ketogenic diet can be restrictive and may not be sustainable in the long term for some individuals. While the diet is high in healthy fats and low in carbohydrates, you still need to eat a variety of nutrient-dense foods to ensure that all essential nutrients are being consumed. It is also essential to consider that one may suffer nutrient deficiencies as a result of this diet, and so take dietary supplements if required. Additionally, it's important to remember that while the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting may aid in weight loss, it is not a magic solution. So it should always be combined with regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and addressing underlying stressors and emotional well-being for optimal health. One should also keep in mind that the diet may not be sustainable for some individuals in the long term, and it's crucial to find a balance that works for you and your lifestyle. In conclusion, the combination of intermittent fasting and a ketogenic diet may provide additional benefits. Such benefits include weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, blood sugar control, and reduced inflammation. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting the diet, closely monitor nutrient intake and adjust the diet as needed. Try and find a sustainable and balanced approach that works best for you, in order to achieve optimal health and weight loss. Above all, Always listen to your body and make adjustments as needed, and to be aware of any potential nutrient deficiencies. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and also the bell icon so that you can be notified the minute we post a new video. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.